What's up, what's up, y'all? It's Black Magic, the GODD guy, and today we're going to be playing episode 3 of Operation Video Games. I hope y'all been enjoying the gameplay so far. If you liked it, if you've been liking the gameplay, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe. If you don't like what you see today, hit the dislike. Tell me in the comments why you liked it, why you didn't like it. And question of the day: what was your favorite channel, or what is your favorite channel, depending on how old you are? Is it Cartoon Network, Nick, or Disney? And here's a hint: if you choose Disney, you need to go to sleep and make better life decisions. All right, let's get to the gameplay. I don't know which side. I don't know how this is gonna do in the editing. Just no, I'm pointing to the gameplay. Why are you still here? Go. Okay, so we got a ship level coming up. We about to run these hands. Blasters? I don't know. But we're about to shove it up his nose. That's all I know. Superpowers common cold. What kind of lame C-grade villain?
Face it, booger breath. Your stupid snot bomber is no match for the awesomeness of my cool bus.
Kids next door operating instructions.
Okay. L1 R1 to activate card. Trying to fire Soup explosion once it's
You
charged.
can run common cold, but sooner or later, every nose that runs gets wiped.
Kids next door mission update.
Why did my
Why
weapon
don't
just
you
cut out?
boogers pick on someone your own size? You get it?
Okay.
Pick. Oh, come on, that's a good one.
Kids
Feels
next
okay.
door operating instructions.
Enemy shots that hit the guard are converted to the green gamma meter. When the meter is flipped for triangle. Okay. So basically, oh god. You don't want that chicken soup
You don't need more
explosion.
than that to stop the cool bus. You hear me, cool bus? You can take it, right?
Of course it can. It was built by you, Kogi.
You guys want to boogie with me? Then let's dance!
That's right. The weapon's back online. How many ships does he have? How does he get this budget? There we go. We finally about to fight the big dog.
My snot bomber's gonna carpet bomb your nasal passages with 11 billion gallons of chunktastic phlegm, and then
I accidentally skipped it, but that was disgusting to hear. Thank you very much.
You may know how to pick 'em, but you sure don't know how to flick 'em. Watch and learn, booger brains.
That one was a good one. That's right. The one thing they did do back in the game was these old ship battle sequences were actually always fun. Now sometimes it's hit or miss. I know as of recently I've been hating on doing ship battles and stuff just because they haven't been fun. Like when I would play Assassin's Creed and we'd be on ships, I'd be getting mad. I'm like, first of all, this ain't fun. Second of all, why is an assassin on a ship? You're a pirate at that point. And then they made a Assassin's Creed Black Flag where you're a pirate assassin. I'm like, now we're crossing too many hairs. You know what I'm saying, guys? Oh no, I missed my rainbow monkey. Oh, we've almost got the last weapon. Clear the battlefield. Nothing like
All
a
right, you boogers.
whole
This
squad
guy's not
wipe.
big enough for both of us, so someone's going down. That's you or me, and it's not gonna be me.
Darn right, it's not gonna be us. Is it finally time for the big boss battle? They have TIE fighters? What kind of money does this man have? What's his backstory that he wants everybody to just be sick? That's what I need to know. Like, was he a kid that was always sick? So he's like, haha, now all other kids will be sick. So I'm an adult who's still sick. Like Grandma Stuffing, is she just one of those grandmas who always got to feed her kids? Who's like, you're too skinny. You're all too skinny. You need to eat. And they're like, Grandma, you can't cook. You can't cook. They're like, Auntie, tell her. Thank you.
Maybe if you kept your finger on the trigger instead of up your nose, you'd be a better shot.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all better get right like me. Now I just need to find the 2x4 so we can see what the new weapon is. Come on. Okay, we got another secret.
My mother said to pick the very best booger, and you
You
are
are
not
it. Oh, my bad, my bad. Misinformation. I thought you was it, but you're not.
Okay, Flyboy.
Okay. You finally ready to run them hands with me? Nope, not yet. Old boy still needs time to blow his nose. And there's my final one. Oh, I get it. So every time I collect the spare parts, all it does is bring more of my weapons back online. So instead of getting one grand weapon, I can get each of my weapons back. Did you just suicide bomb me? How dare you? Get up out of here. And I also just realized I don't have to tap it. I can just hold it and he'll continue to shoot. Now, when do we get to the boss? That's what I need to know. Did they just... I don't know if I shot those two or they crashed into each other. And now we get to the main
Finally,
fight.
we're nose cone to nose cone. What's it gonna be, Snotty, huh? Is that booger frosted finger on the fire button or the eject button?
Oh.
I don't know. I don't think that snot bomber has taken any damage. Ah, his armor's too thick. My shots can't penetrate it. There has to be a
Okay.
weakness.
I didn't see that loss either. I just wasn't expecting that giant laser.
Finally, we're nose cone to nose cone. What's it gonna be, Snotty, huh? Is that booger frosted finger on the fire button or the eject button?
Okay, so I need to not get hit by those.
I don't think that snot bomber has taken any damage. Ah, his armor's too thick. My shots can't penetrate it. There has to be a weakness. Ha! You missed!
Ooh.
Bingo! It's the engines! Concentrate all firepower on that snot bomber's engines.
You'll need superpowers to stop me. Hey! Ha! You missed! You'll need superpowers to stop me. Hey!
You can curse with all you want. It ain't gonna change nothing. Now come here. There we go.
I hate to spoil the mood and all, number two, but our shots still aren't hurting that snot bomber.
Oh.
And he's all out of engines to blow up. Well then, it's time to treat the common cold to a little of my mama's home cooking.
Yes,
Prepare
sir.
to fire the chicken soup.
Keep hitting him with that soup. Oh, don't take none of those. I guess that makes sense because there's a limit to how much this shield can take. Now get some of this soup. You ain't got no ginger ale shots? You need ginger ale shots. You can't have chicken soup without ginger ale.
Your weapons are no match for me, common cold. I eat snot like that for breakfast.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't eat snot.
I don't know, Hobie. You actually like Grandma Stuffing's food. So don't get mad if we don't exactly believe you. Before we talk about it, let's talk about the aversion to vegetables. Because I've watched these episodes and I never understand like why to them vegetables was the worst thing on earth. Maybe that's just because my parents got me to like vegetables. Like they had a whole episode about like eating the Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are disgusting, so I understand that one episode. But like the rest of the vegetables be actually lit. Oh my god.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh my god. Oh my god. I choked. I choked. Shame upon my family. I choked.
Finally, we're nose
But
cone
anyway.
to nose cone. What's it gonna
Like
be,
they're like,
Snotty?
ew,
Huh?
broccoli.
Is that
I'm like,
broccoli
sir, you
on
put
the
some
fire
cheese
button
on
when
that,
you
and that
eject?
stuff slaps.
I don't know. I don't think that snot bomber has taken any damage. Ah, his armor's too thick. My shots can't penetrate it. There has to be a weakness. Ha! You missed! No! Bingo! It's the engines! Concentrate all firepower on that snot bomber's engines.
You'll need superpowers to stop me.
That's one engine. And we're still doing good on health. And they just restocked us with more, so that's good.
Curse you, kids next door.
Come on. There we go.
Superpowers to stop me.
I hate to spoil the mood and all, number 2, but our shots still aren't hurting that snot bomb. And he's all out of engines to blow up. Well then, it's time to treat the common cold to a little of my mama's home cooking.
Yes,
Prepare
sir.
to fire the
Can't beat mama's
chicken
home
soup.
cooking. Except for with grandma's home cooking. So if you got your grandma's soup, you couldn't get his grandma's meat, so she ain't making no chicken soup.
Ha! You missed. No!
They had a whole episode where we saw how much of a menace she was. Her and her little retirement home friends. I don't know if y'all realize this, but I remember most of the episodes from Codename Kids Next Door. I was an avid cartoon watcher back today. Still am.
Your weapons are no match for
Being
me, common
25,
cold. Hey, it's not
well,
like that
24,
for breakfast.
has not stopped me from loving my cartoons. And it won't. Thank you. We're almost there with you, sir. We'll have your cold cured in a minute. Come on. Oh my God.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
It's your last chance. Stand down or get shot down.
Shoot him down. That's what I'm talking about.
Snot-nosed kids. I hate
Good work, number 2. Now transport our snotty friend to a holding cell before we take him to Moonbase.
Roger that. Looks like my modifications to the cool bus were just the right medicine.
Creed.
finished with that booger finger, I'm about to explode here unless someone unclogs all the snot-filled toilets in this treehouse.
Well, you could always use the toilet we never use.
Ah, he can't go down there. That toilet is haunted.
What?
Oh, you guys are just trying to scare me. Haunted or not, I gotta go. I'll be right back. Finally, I can... Hey! Turn the lights back on! Quit messing with me, guys! I can't see what I'm doing in here. Oops! Oh, man!
Oh, he peed on the floor. Now what's going on? Count Spanky?
Hello? Anybody there? It's not nice to be scary.
Oh no. Oh.
What the? Ouch!
Can't spank you out!
Come in, number 4.
Can't a guy get some privacy around here? Number 4 here.
Where are you?
Where do you think I am?
We need your help with something in the hangar.
I said I'd be
He's
back.
turned them all into spank pyres.
I'm on my
That
way.
don't sound right. I forgot what you called him.
Oh man, all over my shoes.
Yeah, he peed on his shoes. Now we got face off against the rest of the squad in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. No, for real though, it's gonna be in the next episode when we get to this. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. If you liked it, hit the like, hit subscribe, join the Demigod Army today, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.